What's up, what's up? It's time for Done Way Past Funny with your host, G.D. Fenderson. Join us as we take a look back at the early works of seasoned comedians before they were seasoned with this week's guest, Brian T. Shirley.
If you can edit it down to just pure, and it's hard, if you edit it down to its purest form where every word is either set up or punch or involved, and there aren't any words that are just bullshit that don't mean anything, get those out of there, cut the fat. That's when you get good jokes, good films, good songs. When all that BS is removed and it's in its purest form and it's right to the story and it cuts to the chase. And it doesn't mean it's short. It just means it's damn good.
Which works in sex as well. It doesn't mean it's short. It just means it's damn good.
Well, yes. Cut the fat, right? Okay. Or eat the fat. Whatever you got to do.
Camilo Diaz.
Audio only.
So you get to stare. You get to stare at the artwork and pick it apart. As a matter of fact, you can compare it to the original artwork, which was Klopp's. Only he uses Oompa Loompas. What did you say you use?
Pupusas.
That sounds so dirty. That sounds like something you pay for at a red light district.
Yeah.
It does. It sounds like, so, hey lady,
Pupusas.
I like your pupusas. How much? You wanna put your pupusas in my mouth?
Yeah.
Put it on my face. Yeah. Put your I don't know what you put in that pupusa, but man, oh boy. It ain't like what mom used to make, I tell you that. I'm sorry.
Your mom's pupusa. No.
Tommy Liberto.
Hey.
And this, see, I love this. Now, do not adjust your set. Tommy is the one that's not lit.
Well, actually, there is a slight chance that could be lit for this interview also. Whoosh!
Randy Halton. And if you want me to bleep the names out, you just say so. But I don't have a problem, with saying, calling people out when they're, he's.
Johnny Roll, I mean, seen or heard a word from him since he quit. Have you?
So are you? No, I'm not affiliated with Sauce in the City. I've been blacklisted or blackballed. Let me see. Brownballed. So
That's brown.
Yeah. Yeah.